All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018. That's right, folks. It's a 2018 Chevy Tahoe. This is the LT model. Beautiful white with black leather interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, backup camera, roof racks, running boards, alloy wheels, 7,000 miles. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Front bumper looks good. Your hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's rim. I don't see any curbing on that. Let me get my my tire gauge here. Check that out. Tire tread here is at almost 9/32. This door looks pretty good. I do see a bunch of little dents here. I'm gonna say call it one dent and say it's about 6 to 7 inches from here to here. Can we see that on the camera? Yeah, we can. Some dents right there, as you can see there, and some more down here. Very light, but it is there. I'm actually reaching from up here. All right. The rest looks pretty good. The rear door looks good. The rear quarter looks good. Does have a dent here, no paint off, less than an inch, but it is there. Here's your rear driver side rim, alloy wheel, and your tire thread here is at 8/32, above 8/32. It's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. You got memory seating. You got power seats. Front seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Check it out. You got your 4x4 action over here. Does come with 2 keys and 2 key fobs, as you can see there. Boom. Check it out. All right. Got your AM/FM stereo system right here. Got your Navi system. Boom. Got your backup camera. Pow. Got your AC controls right down below. Dual AC controls. Heated seats. Pow. Got stereo controls on this side as well as this side. All right. Very nice. That's about it. Turn on the lights. Boom. That's it. Keeping it moving here. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC controls and rear AC vents. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Armrests with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper. You got sensors. You got a tow hitch. Looks good. Let's see how this looks. Very nice. Got a little compartment here. And then, of course, an automatic rear door and your trunk space. What that looks like, pretty big and spacious. These seats do fold down. All right, you got some tools and stuff here. Very nice. You got a little button up here. Boom. Closes this rear. This quarter looks good. Rear passenger side rim looks good. I don't see any curbing here. Your tire thread over 8/32. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front fender. Front passenger door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat as well. Your front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. And your tire thread is just over the 7/32 line. Lights are working, car is running, things are beautiful, folks. Once again, this is a 2018 Chevy Tahoe LT model with 7,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.